Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to simplify this question given. Simplify 3 over 4 plus root 9 minus 5 over 2. So let's simplify it together. Solution. So let's write down the question given. 3 over 4 plus root 9 minus 5 over 2. First, let's deal with this root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. So the equation becomes 3 over 4 plus root 9 is now 3 minus 5 over 2. The next step, we find a common denominator. But if you check here, we have 4 and 2 as the denominator. So we are going to find a common denominator that when we use, if we divide through, it will give us this same value given. Let's see. The common denominator, we have 3 over 4 plus 12 over 4 minus 10 over 4. The common denominator here is 4. And if you see, 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. Then 10 divided by 4, 2 here, 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 10, 5. It gives us the exact value here. So here we now find the LCM. Since the denominator is the same, 4 becomes the denominator and then you add the numerator. We have 3 plus 12 minus 10 is equal to 5 over 4. 5 over 4. This is improper fraction. So we have is equal to 1 whole number 1 over 4 or 1.25. And that is our answer. You can see I simplify it in a simple terms. Just follow through and you understand. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like this video.